Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and good day to all. I hope that you are in good condition. For today's class, we are looking at our Get Smart Plus, and I want you to have a look at page 25. Again, please have a look at page 25. I want you to have a look at this part. Alright? As you all know, we were learning and we are learning about the present continuous tense. Like always, as I have told you before, you should look at the formula whenever you have troubles to determine which verb to use with different subject. Always refer to the Sihati formula because it is easier for you to identify. So here we are looking at this part. Let's read together. I'm playing. Good. He's playing. Good. She's playing. Nice. We're playing. Very good. You're playing. And last one, they are playing. Everyone, I would like you to understand that this is the usual spoken form of I am. For I'm, this is the usual spoken form. For formal writing, normally we will write as I am. But whenever you see the sentence written in this form, I'm, it means that it is used as in a usual spoken form, or normally you will find it in a dialogue. Okay? The thing that I need you to know is these are the form of which use also for present continuous tense. I don't want you to get confused with it. So please have a look at it and let's read it one by one. I believe that most of you have seen these. The one that we were reading just now. So I need you to understand that when you say I'm, it means I am. When you say his with the apostrophe s here, it means he is. Next, when you say she's, it means she is. For this one, we apostrophe re. It means that you are saying it as we are in a kind of like short form. Here, you are. It means you are. And last but not least, they are. Meaning they are. So I need you to be clear about this and don't get confused. Alright? So for formal writing in a sentence or making a sentence, or when you are saying a sentence in present continuous tense, formally you will say I am. But when it is in a usual spoken language or in a dialogue, normally people would use I'm. I hope that you do understand that. So everyone, once you are able to differentiate between those two, not to say it is different from each other, I just need you to be clear and not confused about those two. I want you to have the idea that it is the same thing, but written in a different form. I am becomes I'm. She is becomes she's. They are become their. Okay, I just need you to be clear with it. Why? It is because I am going to give you a task in the quizzes. As usual, make sure that you will type your name and your class before you start the quiz. Make sure that you are very much ready before you start the quiz. I have a reminder for you. I noticed that some of you might have troubles to log into quizzes from Google Classroom. So I have something that I need to remind you before you start doing your quizzes from the Google Classroom, or before you click on the link. For the parents especially, please help me. If you are able to do this, can you please change the default web browser in your phone? I need you to change the default browser. You can go to the settings in your phone, regardless of any phones that you have. Go to the settings and then find the word apps, A-P-P-S, apps or application. Once you are there, find the word web browser, W-E-B, web, B-R-O-W-S-E-R, web browser. And then you click on it and make sure that you are using the Google Chrome as your default browser. Then only it will be easier for you when you want to do the exercise by straight away clicking on the link in Google Classroom. Like usual, if you have any problems, if you don't understand what am I saying here, please ask me. I will always be happy to help you. Okay, everyone? So, again, for today's lesson number 1, I would like you to understand that for this present continuous tense, there are certain situations of which you are using it in a formal form, in writing, in saying, in speaking, and you will also find it in a usual everyday spoken form, or we can say another form in a dialogue. It is the same but written in a different way. Alright, so with that, I would say thank you everyone and goodbye.